us understand the Bohr's effect. The Bohr's effect is the effect of the carbon dioxide on the oxyhemoglobin. Bohr's effect is the effect of carbon dioxide on oxyhemoglobin. So here you see three oxygen diffusion curves illustrating the Bohr's effect. Increased carbon dioxide in the blood causes a right shift in the curves such that the hemoglobin more easily unloads the oxygen it is carrying. Dissociation of the oxyhemoglobin is directly proportional to the blood partial pressure of the carbon dioxide, because with the rise in the partial pressure of the carbon dioxide, the affinity between the oxygen and hemoglobin decreases. According to Haldane effect, according to Haldane effect, oxyhemoglobin behaves like a strong acid and causes dissociation of the carbon dioxide from its carrier compound. Here you see the comparison of the Bohr's effect and the Haldane effect. Here the process here, Bohr's effect, decrease in the oxygen affinity of a respiratory pigment such as a hemoglobin in the response to decreased blood pH resulting from increased carbon dioxide concentration in the blood. And here for Haldane effect, decrease in the carbon dioxide affinity of the hemoglobin in response to the increased blood pH resulting from increased oxygen concentration of the blood. In the blood. Now, Bohr's effect was described by Christian Bohr and Haldane effect was described by John Scott Haldane. The Bohr's effect occurs at the metabolizing tissues and the Haldane effect occurs in the lungs. The release of the gas in the Bohr's effect is concerned, it describes the release of oxygen, whereas Haldane's effect, it describes the release of carbon dioxide. Talking about the effective pH, the Bohr's effect, in case of Bohr's effect, it's effective under low blood pH. It's more effective under low blood pH, whereas the Haldane effect, it's effective under high blood pH. Now, what is a Bohr's effect caused and what is Haldane effect caused? So, the causes are, the Bohr's effect is caused by the take-up of the carbon dioxide at the metabolizing tissues. And whereas the Haldane effect, it's caused by the uptake of oxygen in the lungs. Now, what does the Bohr's effect facilitate? The Bohr's effect facilitates the release of oxygen at the metabolizing tissues, whereas the Haldane effect, it facilitates the binding of the oxygen to the hemoglobin.